What's up, lovelies? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I'm taking off my t-shirt on my hair. I just co-washed my hair and this is what it looks like with no product. Y'all, look at how long it's gotten since the last time that I cut it. If you guys remember, I did the big chop. Look at how long it's already grown back. Like, I don't even know how many months it's been later. But I am going to be using my Kinky and Curly Knot today and my Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Oil. And I'm just going to be using that to moisturize my hair before I actually style it.
We be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
So I wanted to go in with a middle part today. I'm just using my ragtail comb so I can get a nice precise part. And y'all, I like to use the mole on my forehead for reference because it's pretty much like in the middle of my head. So I use that as a reference to make a really straight part, and that's just like the foundation for me creating my sleek hairstyle. Y'all know I love my Eco Styler gel. I love using it, so I'm going to be using that and applying a generous amount on my hair, especially starting at the part and like wiping it and spreading it downwards just throughout the part of my hair that I'm going to be brushing into the bun, just so that it's nice and sleek. To make sure that my hair brushes down nice and sleek, I love to use my boar bristle brush. I have the soft side and the hard side, and I always use the hard side whenever I want my hair just nice and sleek because it just keeps it down. And y'all, look at how stretched it's making my hair. Like, it's just really getting through my curls and the lumps and stuff in my head and just making it nice and sleek.
We could do it all night. We could go.
I don't know what it is, but I have to have two hair ties whenever I do a sleek hairstyle. I'm not sure what that is. It just feels more secure to me when I have two hair ties. So I'm using my hair ties and I'm just putting it in a low bun. And as you can see, I started in like a ponytail motion and just kind of looped it through twice. And then when I pull the bun through the loop, I don't pull it all the way. I kind of like the little curls at the top, like fluffing through. I think that's cute. So that's how I do my bun in the back. Then I go in with my edge booster, and I love this edge control. It just does what it needs to do. I kind of use it as like my backup for my Eco Styler. I feel like the two together work really well. So I'm just going back in with my edge brush, or a toothbrush that I just use for my hair, and just really sleek down those flyaways that I have that didn't really get brushed down all of the way with the Eco Styler.
We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
So I also make sure that I brush my edges back into the style. I do this because I like for my edges to be stretched out before I actually style my edges. So what I mean by that is, if I just go straight into it, I feel like my edges curl up throughout the day and they don't really like hold the style. So when I stretch them out by just putting the edge control on them and then putting a scarf on, it really sets it and it gives that stretched out like edge look. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. Y'all know how like on TikTok and stuff that there's this trend of like flat ironing your edges? I feel like this is like a no heat version of that, is what I'm really trying to say. It stretches my edges out without me actually having to put heat on them. So if I just put a scarf over my edges and then come back to them, it's like I already have that look, and you'll see that later on. I also like to go in with my olive oil mousse set and just really go in and set my hairstyle. Y'all, I swear by doing this, it has made my sleek hairstyles last longer and just look so much better. Like, I feel like I don't have as many flyaways. It really pulls my whole hairstyle together, I'm telling you.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
Now it is time to put your scarf on so that you can set your hairstyle completely after putting on your mousse, your gels, your edge controls. All of that is going to set underneath your scarf, and I just really love to use a big satin scarf. If you don't have one, it's fine, just use your regular size one, but this large one is my favorite one to use. Very cheap at the beauty supply store if you're looking for some, because that's where I got mine at. And I just tie it, and I actually watched an episode of the Love is Blind after the altar episode. That's how long that I let my hair set before I came back on camera. So now that I'm back, I am taking off my scarf, and you guys will see how set and just in place my hair is. It just looks so sleek. Look at it. Ooh, so sleek. My bun is kind of smushed in the back, so you have to fluff that out a little bit and fix it, but just look at how everything is just set. So this is how I do my baby hairs, you guys. I've been loving doing it this way. Once I have everything set, I use a ragtail comb. I use the end of it, and I basically just lift my baby hairs out of the rest of the style and kind of prep them, you know, to have gel applied to them. But do you see what I mean when I say it's stretched out? It looks like my edges got blow dried or flat ironed. You know what I mean? So it's kind of a hack, if you will, if you want to do something like the trend that's going on, because I think the trend of the cute messy baby hairs is so cute, and you can do it without putting heat on your edges, because I feel like too much heat on your edges on a consistent basis is just not good. So that's why I've been doing this, because I really do love the look that the trend has been showing, but I don't want to put heat on my hair at all. So, you know, that was the whole point of me cutting my hair to begin with, so I do not want to add heat on my hair at this very moment. So yeah, this is what has been helping me, and hopefully it'll help you out.
Either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'm up like yo.
So going into my baby hairs, I'm using my Edge Booster edge control. I don't prefer to use my Eco Style anymore, because I just feel like it curls it up more than the edge control does, and it kind of just defeats the purpose of me stretching out my edges. So I'm going in with my edge toothbrush and just styling my edges. I didn't really do them like super dramatic or, you know, crazy today. I just wasn't in that mood. But if you want to, you definitely can. Maybe I'll do another hair video where I do my baby hairs really crazy and dramatic, because when I'm feeling that way, I'm feeling that way, and I think that's so cute also. But I'm going in and doing my sideburns. I do kind of create sideburns, I'm not gonna lie, but whatever, I think it's cute. But I really don't know how to explain the technique that I use with my edges. I really hope that seeing it is better than like me explaining it. But I just use my finger to flatten, and I just kind of do that and swoop it. Do it in like a swooping motion with my toothbrush or my edge toothbrush, and use my fingers to flatten it out and kind of guide the toothbrush along the way.
When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that.
My baby hairs are like my favorite part of styling my slick backs, because I feel like they just complete the look, and I have a really big forehead, I feel like, so I feel like it helps like not make my head in general look so big, because I have a big head, I really do. So this just helps with that, and it's just really cute. I know everybody's not like big on baby hairs, like there's just some people who aren't, but I'm here for it, I really am.
Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good.
Well, you guys, this concludes the video. This is what my hair looks like. So cute. This is like one of my go-to hairstyles. I love it. Just super easy and quick to do. If you guys want to see more I can't talk. If you want to see more hair videos from me, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Peace.